Respect isn't something that appears overnight. You can't chase it, purchase it, or convince people to hand it to you. It is built slowly, through your actions, your consistency, and the way you carry yourself day after day. The little things you do repeatedly are what make people trust, admire, and respect you. Trait number 1. Keep your word. If you say you're going to do something, do it. People respect reliability because it's rare. Anyone can make promises when they're motivated, but respected people follow through even when they don't feel like it. Every time you keep your word, you're telling the world, you can count on me. Trait number 2. Be comfortable. Being uncomfortable. Growth lives on the other side of discomfort. Respect comes naturally to people who are willing to have difficult conversations, learn new skills, admit when they're wrong, and keep going despite fear. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward while fear is still present. Trait number 3. Treat everyone with respect. Your character isn't revealed by how you treat important people. It's revealed by how you treat people who can do nothing for you. Respecting others, listening genuinely, and showing kindness demonstrates strength, not weakness. Trait number 4. Believe in your potential. The people who earn respect aren't necessarily the most talented. They're the ones who believe they can grow. They understand that every expert was once a beginner and every successful person was once inexperienced. They trust the process, even when progress is invisible. Trait number 5. Stay consistent. Most people start strong and quit when results don't come quickly. But respected people understand that greatness is built quietly. They keep showing up, keep practicing, and keep improving even when nobody is watching. Small actions repeated daily create extraordinary results over time. Remember this, respect isn't built in one big moment, it's built in 1,000 small choices. So today, keep one promise. Do one uncomfortable thing, improve one skill, show one act of kindness, take one step forward today, because the person you become tomorrow is being shaped by the choices you make right now.